Our next topic is expectorant. As the name suggests, expectorants are expecting. They are expecting out something, expelling out something, that is sputum. In Gujarati, you can say gulfo. Expectorants, example ammonium chloride and potassium iodide, chloride and iodide. Short key, how you can remember these two example? I am expecting potential in exam. Here, forget I. M stands for ammonium chloride. Expecting, expectorant you can remember. Potential, from potential you should remember potassium iodide. Now definition, what are expectorants? These are the drugs that help to remove sputum, you can say in Gujarati gulfo, from respiratory tract by increasing fluidity or by decreasing the viscosity of sputum. Here viscosity is thickness of sputum. Thick sputum, its viscosity is reduced and its flowing capacity is increased using these two compounds. That's why these agents are known as expectorant. They are relieving our respiratory tracts from viscous sputum. They are working by two mechanisms, and on the basis of this mechanism they are divided into two types, that is sedative expectorants and stimulant expectorant. This is sedative because they are not directly working on respiratory tract, they are working on GI tract. They are here stimulant expectorant means they will stimulate respiratory tract secretion, example eucalyptus. They are directly working on respiratory tract. They will stimulate the tract, decrease the viscosity of sputum and increase the fluidity of sputum and expelling out the sputum easily. So congestion of the tract, respiratory tract reduces. Now sedative, they are not directly working on respiratory tract. What they will do, they will irritate stomach and stimulate gastric reflux. Example is ammonium chloride. See, in expectorant you have to study these two compound. The first one, I have compared these two compound and I have written all required points of these two compound. First one, ammonium chloride, which is also known as sal ammoniac. In exam you may ask directly to write about sal ammoniac. It is nothing but ammonium chloride. Then potassium iodide. Now formula, ammonium chloride, ammonium is NH4 plus and chloride is Cl minus. So NH4Cl is ammonium chloride. Here potassium symbol is K, iodide symbol is I. That's why potassium iodide is Ki. Now standards. For both of these drugs, standard is same. Not less than 99%, not less than 99% and not more than 100.5%, not more than 100.5%. Molecular weight, for ammonium chloride it is 53.49 and for potassium iodide it is 166. You have to remember this. Then preparation. See, to make this NH4Cl we required anyhow this ammonia and chloride. So we are using here ammonia solution and hydrochloric acid. From hydrochloric acid we will get Cl. This H will attach to NH3 and form NH4Cl, that is ammonium chloride. You can write this preparation in your own word, like ammonia solution will react with hydrochloric acid and form ammonium chloride. just in one or two sentences. Now here preparation for potassium iodide. For preparation of potassium iodide, anyhow we need potassium and iodine. These two preparations are there. You can write this one, that is, from potassium you can remember potassium hydroxide, and from iodine you can remember this iodine molecule. So potassium hydroxide plus iodine, it is reaction between potassium hydroxide and iodine. It will form potassium iodide and potassium iodate. This KiO3 stands for potassium iodate. Now properties. Ammonium chloride is colorless white crystal. If it is freshly prepared, then this solution is neutral. The properties of potassium iodide. Colorless crystal which are deliquescent means upon letting it giving it exposure to air, it will absorb moisture. It is bitter in taste, and this Ki upon reaction with iodine forming Ki3. Uses, as these compounds falls in the category of expectorant, so both of these compounds common use is expectorant. Then ammonium chloride is used as diuretic. Now what is diuretic? It increases the flow of urine, and these diuretics are mainly used in kidney disorders as well as in hypertension, heart related problems. Uses of potassium iodide. It is used to treat deficiency, iodine deficiency. It is mainly used in the case of iodine deficiency. Now Lugol's solution. Lugol's solution is official iodine oral solution, which is official in BP, that is British Pharmacopoeia 2007. The other use is expectorant in iodine deficiency and expectorant.